Hello and welcome everybody to part 2 of our webinar series brought to you by the AIM Institute and Sophion. My name is Greg Katikia. I'm the CEO of Sophion. And again, welcome and thank you for your attendance. If you're watching this on video replay, welcome as well. Today's subject we are going to discuss is exciting. It is how to decrease time to market while ensuring new products resonate. That is a big challenge for innovators, entrepreneurs, product managers, all kinds of people. You know, the benefits of infusing voice of customer insights into product innovation are extremely clear, but how do you make the transition from ideation to new product development? A dynamic gated process organizes new product development into a series of activities, or often called phases, and then decision points, often called gates. And automating that process greatly improves all the cross-functional alignment as well as accountability, and that also then inevitably increases speed to marketplace. So if executed correctly, gated decision-making reduces risks and creates funnels, not tunnels, challenges status quo processes that need to evolve to be more adaptable, and infuse, here it is, infuse agile processes into the innovation planning. There you go. So we got a lot to talk about here today, and I have some great guests that I'm excited. These are leaders in the field. Let's start off with Dan Adams of the AIM Institute. Dan is the founder and president of the AIM Institute, the author of a great book, New Product Blueprinting, the Handbook for B2B Organic Growth. Please go to Amazon or wherever your favorite bookstore, download it, buy it, whatever. In 35 years working within and with Fortune 500 corporations, he's literally explored all the different aspects of B2B innovation, building new product blueprinting from the ground up. He's a chemical engineer, so he's top of the pecking chain in terms of engineers, and a holder of many patents and innovations, including a listing in the National Inventors Hall of Fame. Quite accomplished, quite skilled, quite experienced, and you'll enjoy listening to him today. Also joining,
Greg.
Nice to see you, Dan. Thanks for being here, my friend. Paul Heller is with Sophion, and he has led the strategy and product development of Sophion for many years, actually extending back almost 20 years. His leadership today is as the chief evangelist of Sophion, and he helps our blue chip client portfolio achieve levels of success from their investments in innovation. Paul navigates landscapes for both Sophion and its customers and identifies the business values linked to investments in innovation systems and processes. Now, if you love what you hear from Paul today, you can get a lot more of Paul, and I would encourage you to come to the Sophion website where you can read his blogs or listen to his podcasts labeled Innovation Talks with Paul Heller. If you don't want to listen to him on the Sophion website, you can go to Apple, Spotify, or wherever your favorite podcast is. So please check out Innovation Talks with Paul Heller. You'll hear some wonderful interviews on the latest about innovation and new product development. I'm going to turn over the session to, who is it today? Paul Heller, I think, starts. So welcome, and it's all yours, my friend.
Thank you, Greg. Appreciate the intro. Pleasure to talk to everybody today. We're going to begin with this slide here is kind of interesting. It's similar to what one that Dan showed yesterday. You know, enterprises are struggling with innovation and new product development. They're prioritizing it, and they've got their initiatives together, but they have trouble executing successfully. And one of the reasons is it's identifying, evaluating, and successfully executing against the right strategic priorities is not easily done. And so we're going to talk today about how to do that. You know, inability to do the things on the right side of this slide are common points of failure that are behind or leading to those numbers on the left. So, you know, executive visibility. Somebody told me once I had too much of it, but most people say there's too little of it in an organization. when somebody says there's too much, I say, well, what visibility are you giving the executives? And when you dig into that, you find out it's just the wrong visibility. So that's certainly a key aspect to it. And alignment to strategy, understanding how execution fits and supports strategy. It's a cross-functional environment that we're in, so people have to be coordinated, and you need to be able to compare projects and prioritize. And a lot of people have systems that are overly complex and hard to use, and they're in manually driven, time-intensive processes and reporting. So, getting the house in order on the right will improve the numbers that you see on the left.